From AstroTurf to eco-friendly, a green revolution. Remember that awful plastic stuff they used to call grass on football fields? It looked fake and felt even worse. Thankfully, things have changed. Artificial grass in 2024 is a whole new game. We're talking about lush, realistic turf that's not just for sports anymore. It's taking over backyards, playgrounds, and even commercial spaces. This ain't your grandpappy's AstroTurf, folks. This is a green revolution. Let's get our hands dirty and see how it's made.
Welcome to the factory floor, making artificial grass. We're about to step inside a state-of-the-art artificial grass factory. We'll see how this amazing product goes from plastic pellets to perfect lawn. We'll get into the nitty-gritty of the process. We'll also look at the cool technology and eco-friendly practices that make it all possible. Buckle up, it's time to learn how they make this stuff.
The problem with traditional lawns: thirsty, toxic, and time-consuming. Let's dive into why maintaining a traditional lawn can be such a headache. Before we get to the good stuff, let's talk about why artificial grass is such a big deal. Traditional lawns require a lot of effort and resources to keep them looking lush and green. Traditional lawns are thirsty suckers. They need constant watering, especially during the hot summer months when water is already scarce. They guzzle down gallons of water, especially in hot climates. This not only strains our water resources, but also leads to higher water bills. And all those fertilizers and pesticides? They might make your lawn look good temporarily, but at what cost? They're not exactly doing Mother Nature any favors. These chemicals can seep into the groundwater, harming wildlife and polluting our water sources. Plus, who wants to spend their weekends mowing, weeding, and battling brown spots? Not me. The time and energy spent on lawn maintenance could be better used elsewhere. Artificial grass offers a solution. It stays green all year round without the need for watering, mowing, or chemical treatments. It's time to ditch the hassle and go green. With artificial grass, you can have a beautiful, low-maintenance lawn that's eco-friendly and cost-effective. Imagine all the free time you'll have to enjoy your yard instead of working on it.
Building the perfect blade materials and manufacturing. In this chapter, we delve into the fascinating world of artificial grass production, exploring the intricate processes and innovative materials that make it possible. The first step in making artificial grass is creating the blades. These blades are the heart of the product, providing the look and feel of real grass. This starts with tiny plastic pellets, often made from recycled materials like water bottles and milk jugs. These pellets are the raw materials that will eventually be transformed into the lush, green blades of artificial grass. These pellets get melted down into a liquid form. The melting process is crucial as it ensures that the plastic is in the perfect state for the next step in the manufacturing process. Then they're pushed through tiny holes in a machine called an extruder. The extruder plays a vital role in shaping the melted plastic into long, thin strands. This creates the long, thin strands that will become the grass blades. These strands are carefully monitored to ensure they meet the required specifications for strength and flexibility. Think of it like a giant Play-Doh press. But instead of colorful shapes, it's churning out thousands of these grass-like fibers every minute. The comparison to a Play-Doh press helps to visualize the extrusion process, making it easier to understand. It's amazing what they can do with plastic these days. The advancements in plastic technology have made it possible to create high-quality, durable artificial grass that looks and feels just like the real thing. From recycled materials to innovative manufacturing techniques, the journey of creating artificial grass is a testament to human ingenuity and the endless possibilities of modern materials and manufacturing processes. Section 5. Weaving a lush lawn, the tufting process. Now that we've got our grass blades, it's time to weave them into a lawn. This is where the magic truly begins. The process of tufting transforms these individual blades into a cohesive, lush surface that mimics the look and feel of natural grass. This happens on a massive machine called a tufting machine. These machines are the heart of the artificial grass manufacturing process, and they are truly a marvel of modern engineering. It looks like something out of a sci-fi movie. With its intricate mechanisms and high-speed operations, the tufting machine is designed to handle the complex task of weaving thousands of grass blades with precision and efficiency. The tufting machine has thousands of needles that sew the grass blades into a backing material, usually made from a durable polypropylene fabric. This fabric serves as the foundation, providing strength and stability to the artificial lawn. The needles work at lightning speed, punching the blades through the backing and creating those realistic-looking individual blades of grass. Each needle moves with incredible precision, ensuring that every blade is perfectly positioned. The density and height of the blades can be adjusted to create different types of lawns, from putting green short to backyard lush. This customization allows for a variety of applications, whether it's for a sports field, a playground, or a residential garden. Different textures and colors can also be achieved, giving each lawn a unique appearance. The versatility of the tufting process means that no two artificial lawns need to look exactly the same. Quality control is a crucial part of the process. Each piece of artificial grass is carefully inspected to ensure it meets the highest standards. This ensures that the final product is not only visually appealing, but also durable and long-lasting. Once the tufting process is complete and the grass has passed quality control, it is rolled up and prepared for shipping. These rolls of artificial grass are then sent to various locations, ready to be installed and enjoyed. The installation process is the final step, where the artificial grass is laid out and secured in place. This transforms any space into a green, vibrant area that requires minimal maintenance. The result is a beautiful, low-maintenance lawn that can be enjoyed by families, pets, and anyone who loves the look of a perfectly manicured lawn without the hassle of regular upkeep. And there you have it, the tufting process that brings artificial grass to life, creating a lush green space that can be enjoyed year-round.
Section 6. Sustainability in action. Recycled materials and reduced waste. One of the coolest things about modern artificial grass is its commitment to sustainability. Many manufacturers are using recycled materials to create their products. This reduces plastic waste and gives those old water bottles a new life. And because artificial lawns don't need to be mowed, watered, or treated with chemicals, they help conserve precious resources and reduce pollution. It's a win-win for your lawn and the planet.
Section 7. The durability test, performance and longevity. Artificial grass isn't just about looking good, it's got to be tough too. Manufacturers put their products through rigorous testing to ensure they can withstand years of foot traffic, weather, and even pet shenanigans. They're testing for things like UV resistance to prevent fading, water drainage capabilities, and even fire retardancy. This stuff is built to last. That means you can enjoy a beautiful, low-maintenance lawn for years to come. Section 8. Beyond the backyard. Applications of artificial grass. Artificial grass isn't just for backyards anymore. It's popping up everywhere, from playgrounds and athletic fields to rooftops and commercial spaces. Its durability, low maintenance, and versatility make it a great choice for a wide range of applications. And because it doesn't require any pesticides or herbicides, it's a safer and healthier option for kids and pets.
Section 9. A greener future, environmental benefits of artificial grass. By now, you've probably figured out that artificial grass has some serious environmental benefits. It eliminates the need for watering, mowing, and chemical treatments, which saves water, reduces emissions, and protects our waterways. Plus, many manufacturers are using recycled materials in their products, further reducing our environmental impact. Choosing artificial grass is a smart choice for both your home and the planet.
Section 10. Join the green movement. Embrace artificial grass. So there you have it. The making of modern artificial grass is a testament to innovation and sustainability. From recycled materials to water-saving technology, it's clear that this ain't your grandpappy's AstroTurf. If you're looking for a beautiful, low-maintenance and eco-friendly alternative to traditional lawns, artificial grass is the way to go. Section 11. Explore more. Discover other eco-friendly innovations. Thanks for joining me on this journey to discover the world of artificial grass. If you're hungry for more information about eco-friendly innovations, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and check out my other videos. We'll keep exploring the amazing ways that technology is helping us live more sustainably.